Namaskar, greetings, and gratitude. I welcome you all to the Inspirational Star Talks episode number 62. And today, with me on the hot seat is Miss Deepthi. Hello, Deepthi, how are you? You are muted.
Hello, ma'am. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Thank you so much. Miss Deepthi is a consultant, behavioral skills facilitator, executive life coach, and a psychometric assessor. Deepthi, I read it that you never know how strong you are. Being strong is the only option that you have. So please throw some light on this belief of yours.
Well, I'll be very honest with you, Preeti ma'am. This wasn't my belief till 14 years back. And that's exactly the time when I lost my father. And I was just battling out with the death of my mother when I had given an absolute command to the universe that अब तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला, इससे बुरा क्या ही होगा. And I was attempting to grapple with that particular loss of losing one parent. And suddenly I lost my father too. And I still so vividly remember that immediately after my father's death, my uncle, who is based out of Gurgaon, he sent across this text message after all the rituals and everything was over after the 13-day ceremony and everything. And he had gone away from here, from Mumbai. And he went there and maybe he thought that this is the right time to do it. He sent across this message to me. You never know how strong you are unless being strong is the only option you have. I've been living, a single life for all my life right now. And I'm based out of a city which is a fast-paced one, where people do, despite the very fact that they are warm, they're welcoming, they're attached to you. But impermanency being the only fact of life, I think my uncle really thought it was necessary to drill this particular thought into me that beta, kabhi bhi kuch bhi ho sakta hai. And you never know what your strength is unless you do not know that that is the only thing that you have to focus upon. So I would say that I started to collate this example, Preeti ma'am, with a bird which is sitting on the branch. So if you've noticed that the branch breaking is never the bird's concern at all. Because despite the very fact that उसके वजन से वो branch टूट जाएगी, bird अपने आप उड़ सकती है. और उसका उड़ना इस बात को जाहिर करता है that the capability that is within you is only profoundly found by you. And that comes only under the times when you are in adversity. Otherwise, तो आप बैठे रहो, आपको क्या ही फर्क पड़ रहा है आपकी लाइफ में. There is absolutely no way that you can judge your tenacity, your resilience, and so on and so forth. And being a typical hardcore Mumbaikar, we are always literally, we used to say that I've braced a bomb blast like there Ajmal Kasab is and here I am getting out of the train. And I didn't even know what happened till the time I had not taken half my destination. My father just called up, "Where are you?" I said, "I've just taken a cab from XYZ location." He said, "Come home safely." I said, "Hua kya?" He said, "Just aaja, ghar aaja." He didn't say anything. And I still so vividly remember in 2005 when the deluge happened in Bombay, when it was all flooded and people just didn't go back alive. I was in water, in neck deep water for 1.5 day, waist to neck to waist, yehi chalta raha. And the minute I got back home after 1.5 day, my mother said, "Ye zinda hai." That was the only thing that rings in my bed, in my mind. Ye zinda hai. So I have seen the resilience, the tenacity, and the ups and downs of life in so many ways, Preeti ma'am, that if I sit down to give you the count, I think that this interview would get over in that sense. So yes, I realize that that is the only way you can be strong. When you know that is the only thing that you can do.
Bravo, I must say. So, Deepthi, you are an MBA in HR, Masters in Management, Diploma in Personal Management, and Industrial Labor Law Relations. Also, Certified International Baccalaureate Faculty from Singapore in Business and Management. Wow. And you are a life coach. So, how is it helping you?
Um, I'll be very honest with you. There is a statement in the adage that you don't choose life; life happens to you. And I'm a very, very Jita Jagta example of this, that despite the fact that I have a double MBA in marketing, finance as well as HR and having this diploma and so on. So when people remind me, जैसे आप जैसे पढ़ रहे थे ना तो मुझे याद आ रहा था अच्छा ये भी तो किया था, ये भी मैंने किया है, ये भी किया है. And have all these particular qualifications helped me? in being the person who I am, then the answer is a clear-cut no. Okay? They're all testimonials on paper. They're all qualifications. They're just qualifications. Have I
But
ever worked in the HR? No. Sorry. Please, please,
but
please go
but
ahead.
here I would say, uh, whatever you've done, that reflects in you, in your personality. So
Thank you for saying that.
you
But
cannot
again,
just do away with that. Yes, that has
yeah,
made
but
you the person, the stronger you are.
stronger, yes, because I have seen so many valleys and so many valleys that I've forgotten that there are peaks and valleys. So every particular qualification came with a rider. Every particular qualification came with a disclaimer. Every particular qualification came with a rejection and so on. So I have braced a depression, I have braced rejections, I have braced challenges and so many debacles that I've forgotten that is there any moment जब मेरे को सब कुछ बिल्कुल हाथों हाथ मिला था, the paka pakaya types. So coming back to, did it do any good to me? Believe me, Preeti ma'am, no. These qualifications still for me are testimonials, which I gathered because I wanted to study further and so on and so forth. So yes, they've been intact on the paper. Of course, my qualifications comes with, yes, they are my education. I started getting my platform from that. But life coaching, when did this happen? So as a facilitator, when I started my journey, into facilitation with academic industry and then slowly and slowly, moved into the corporate. 1997, I still so vividly remember, is when I started my journey as a management faculty. And I did not quit my studies in order to do something. तो साथ में सब कुछ चलता रहा. Life coaching came into my life after I finished my DISC, extended DISC, neuro-linguistic programming. I became a brain mapper. I had finished my emotional intelligence assessment from the Par Excellence Society, and it was connected to the Medical Health Society of the US. Then suddenly किसी ने कहा सब कुछ बहुत staggered है. And I understood. ये दवाई की गोली को ना बंद करना पड़ेगा. I was having a concoction of this. Now, how about putting it in a capsule and then making it ready? So life coaching for me happened because I wanted to put everything together. And so when somebody comes to me और कहे कि भाई इसका आगे क्या करना है, I should be able to give that person a cushion to fall back on. And that's the way that coaching happened. So how did it help me? It helped me to put things into one perspective. Did it help others? Well, अब तो वो जिन्होंने coaching करी होगी उन्हीं को पूछना पड़ेगा.
Nice, so nice, good. So, do you believe in gratification,
Um,
and how do you measure it?
Monetarily, yes, of course, I do believe in gratification because आप program करते हो तो आपको फीस मिल जाती है. That is high gratification. So considering that, it is very difficult to pat your own back. Have you ever tried it? It's very difficult. आप इस हाथ से आप इस शोल्डर को नहीं कर सकते, इस हाथ से इस शोल्डर को कर सकते हो, रिवर्स कर सकते हो. बट इमेजिन प्रीति मैम, अगर आप वही ग्रेटिफिकेशन और वही अगर आपको पैट ऑन द बैक कोई दूसरा दे, इट्स अ डिफरेंट ब्यूटी ऑल टुगेदर, इज इट? सो यू आर परपेचुअली मोटिवेटेड इंट्रिंसिकली, आप खुद से मोटिवेटेड रहते हो. और मैं भी ऐसी हूँ कि मतलब मेरा कोई कोई प्रोग्राम अच्छा चला गया ना, कहीं पर भी किसी शहर में, आई ट्रीट माई सेल्फ. So if I'm in Delhi, I love चाट्स. मुझे पानी पूरी की, आप पानी पूरी मीन्स दैट इज
Hmm.
पानी के बताशे, या फिर जिसको पुचका बोलते हैं कैलकाटा में. आप मुझे वहां पे ठेले पे खड़ा कर दो, आई लव अ बॉल ऑफ अ टाइम. मतलब मैं लिटरली मतलब मैंने ऐसी ऐसी जगह से खाया ना कि मतलब लोग बोलते तुम पागल हो. मैंने कहा बस यही एक चीज का शौक है. If I'm in Bombay, if I've done a very good program, I probably feed myself to my own homemade cook. I love cooking. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है to treat my own self to do something. Now that is gratifying yourself and being self-motivated. You've done a good job. But for me, gratification is not external validation, but yes, it is needed. Coming from somewhere else, saying that, hey, Deepthi, you know what? You've done an extremely good job. We are so proud that your rating is 4.9 on a 5 or it is 4.8 on a 5. कई बार रेटिंग्स मैटर नहीं करती, कई बार फीडबैक्स मैटर करते हैं. सो दैट दे सेंड यू अ स्क्रीनशॉट, दिस इज व्हाट पीपल सेड अबाउट यू. एंड कई बार आपको शॉल दे रहे हैं, बुके दे रहे हैं. इट हैज नो मीनिंग इफ यू नोटिस इट. बहुत छोटी सी चीजें हैं, बट ये छोटी 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 सी चीजों को इफ यू पुट दैट इन पर्सपेक्टिव, you realize how happy it can be, for you to be a part of your, to be a catalyst for somebody's life. So, gratification, absolutely. खुद भी दे लो, और अगर दूसरा ले लो तो समेट के ले लो, फिर तो बड़ा मजा आता
Very beautiful, beautiful. So, your array of trainings are vast. Please help us understand the variety that you offer.
So like a typical, facilitator, Preeti ma'am, I started way back when I did so. Soft skills होते थे, सब कुछ soft skills था. Personality, soft skills. Email writing, soft skills. उसके अलावा कुछ ऊपर था नहीं, ठीक है. So when people used to talk about business writing, soft skills, communication, soft skills, they said ये soft skills क्या है क्या? If at all, if you don't do this, then you're technically nowhere. Basic है communication. So it can't be a soft skills. It is supposed to be a mandatory skill program. And slowly and steadily, people did understand that yes, it is mandatory. Little did we realize that धीरे धीरे the spectrum would increase and become wider and vast. And then it became behavioral skills like transaction analysis, hai, change management, hai, leadership. Hai. There are so many other things. So then the array became behavior. Now I realize that people do not have the time to read books. है ना, हमको अच्छा लगता है. आजकल तो लोग गाड़ी चलाते चलाते या कई बार म्यूजिक की जगह पे ई बुक्स पढ़ते हैं. लेकिन हमारा वो जमाना है दैट आई कॉल माई सेल्फ अ बैनियन ट्री एंड अ फॉसिलाइज्ड वर्जन, बिकॉज बहुत पुराने टाइम की हूँ. तो मुझे
Hmm.
ना आज भी पेपर बैग्स बहुत अच्छे लगता है. आई लव टू होल्ड माई बुक, आई लव द स्मेल ऑफ द पेज. आई एम नॉट अ
Absolutely.
किंडल पर्सन एट ऑल. ठीक है, तो मैंने नोटिस किया कि लोगों के पास में टाइम है नहीं पढ़ने का. सो हाउ अबाउट कन्वर्टिंग अ बुक इनटू अ प्रोग्राम?
So beautiful.
Yeah, so I do book-based programs, which is a complete book, drive out the particular essence, take out the whole gist, and then present it in the frame of a program. Like a simple one is Seven Habits of Highly Effective People. ये तो सारी दुनिया जानती है, लेकिन people don't know there is a book called How Nonconformists Move the World, which is by Adam Grant, or the book called Grit by Angela Duckworth. इतनी सारी किताबें ना प्रीति मैम, आप the array is vast. अब इसमें से आप क्या ड्रॉ करते हो? That is something that my penchant is. I draw out those lessons of that, remove the juice out of it, and then make a program out of it. So that's a book
Beautiful.
based program. ठीक है, because people don't have the time. तो हम उनको ये बताते हैं भाई ये इसका है, इसका निचोड़ ले लो आप. थर्ड एस्पेक्ट इज, अभी सॉफ्ट स्किल्स हो गया, बिहेवियरल हो गया, बुक बेस्ड हो गया. Third is something called as, fourth rather, is called as the certification based program. Certification is where I am doing a lot of psychometrics like Prism है, NLP है, Q है. उनके ऊपर खास certification programs होते हैं. Like I've done open workshops for Prism married to NLP, and which is also one of them is going to go on floor in the month of May 31st से लेके 1 जून में 2 दिन का Prism extensive version है along with NLP. So you have a personality, but you can't restrict yourself as a personality. You have possibilities to see. आप उसकी करो. So those are certification-based programs. And the last thing which I have always been triggered with is offsites. अब लोगों को लगता है offsite का मतलब होता है जंगलीपना, आवाज करना. नहीं. Offsites for leadership is through activities, hardcore activities which are adventurous and stuff like that. So a lot of people say कि हम उसको डेला में करते हैं. So Dela is a very beautiful off-site place in Lonavala, in one of the places in Maharashtra. Now उसका प्रॉब्लम ये है कि वहाँ पे मार्शल्स होते हैं, वो आपसे एक्टिविटीज कराते हैं. हम यहाँ पे मार्शल्स का इस्तेमाल नहीं करते, हम ही करें. We'll give you a lot of resources, lot of stuff. Find your own learning through those particular things. So that is a fifth element. So technically speaking, अगर आप notice करो तो है तो ultimately learning ही. But what kind of a measure are you using in order to drive that lesson to people? That is something that you have to choose.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Very nice. Very good initiative. I was not aware of this at all. Wonderful. So I would also like to be part of one of your programs.
Anytime. Definitely would love to have you on.
So you've spoken about so much and little different now. Your interest and your hobbies.
Ah, this is going to be like really, really very surprising to a lot of people who do not know the real side of me. I love cooking. It's
Oh,
very,
wow.
very therapeutic. It's very therapeutic. So be it alone or whatever it is, but I like to make dabbas for the world. Okay, तो वो मैं as a initiative भी करती हूँ without people knowing about it. I provide dabbas like tiffins all 3 times a meal जैसा होता है, without any cost attached to a couple of people who are not in my knowledge at all. I mean to say, I'm not related to them. I'm not friendly with them. They are not my people who I move around in my community. मेरी building के नहीं है. I love doing that because मेरा शौक खाना बनाना है. The second thing I love doing is I am a voracious reader. Used to be for quite some time. Like रात को किताब के 4-5 पन्ने तो पढ़ने ही थे. चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, couldn't sleep without that. But over a period of time, unfortunately, age is catching up. तो आजकल बुक खोलते ही मुझे नींद आ जाती है and falls on my face and I realize, oh God. So वो थोड़ा कम हो चुका है. म्यूजिक की हमेशा से शौकीन रही थी. I used to sing a lot when I was way back in college, and for a lot of years I've done professional singing. तो वो एक
ओह,
शौक था, लेकिन अब वो बिल्कुल खत्म हो चुका है. Nothing at all. But what I
अच्छा.
have just
हम्म.
you know I've always been fond of animals, but specifically dogs. So, fostering, caregiving to not any breeds. हाँ, I don't do. मेरे को सिर्फ लैब चाहिए, मुझे सिर्फ रिट्रीवर्स चाहिए, नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं है ऐसा. I've been a caregiver for more than 40 odd dogs in and around my circle, and right from the neutering to their feeding to rescuing, to giving them a proper habitat is something that I do very extensively. Thankfully, I have a couple of people who join in whenever they have the scope and the time. और मेरा बस चले तो मैं अपने घर को कन्वर्ट कर दूं शेल्टर में. घर पे कोई है नहीं तो कोई फर्क
ब्यूटीफुल,
नहीं पड़ता.
ब्यूटीफुल.
बट वो मुश्किल है बिकॉज आई लिव अलोन. सो व्हेन यू आर ऑन ट्रैवल, you can't leave these furries alone at all. So this is something, and of course, when the opportunity comes, I'm a hardcore loner. A lot of people do not know this. So, Preeti ma'am, this must be mentioned here that a lot of people say that doesn't look like you can be one because you talk. So this goes out to everyone. We are not what our profession is. So I am not what I do. I may be a trainer, I may be a facilitator, and by default I have to talk, but does not mean that is my choice. That does not come by choice. And that is not something that I would want to willingly do. You leave me alone, I'll be very happy. And I'm more so happy being a lone traveler. I've done like the most liberated things which people shudder from doing is watching a movie all alone in a theater. Okay. I go and watch dramas, I watch plays. I have eaten खाना तो बिल्कुल इतनी जगहों पर खा चुकी हूँ कि पता ही नहीं है, और ट्रैवल बहुत अच्छा लगता है. तो that is something that I really like. Of course, it has become very less limited for that matter over a couple of years now. But हाँ, जब भी मौका मिलता है, I would like to explore that side. Very
Wonderful. So nice knowing you.
pleasure.
So, Deepti, my last question for the day. So, what should we say? Is Deepti a very happy and optimistic person?
That is a very, very wrongly timed question. Uh, but I'm glad you asked it. Let me trace my answer to my time when I was doing my certification on EQ. Now, a lot of people do not know that emotional intelligence may happiness and optimism are one of two parameters which help you to understand your emotional intelligence quotient. And you'll be shocked to know, Preeti ma'am, um, if your happiness quotient is not in place, none of your other quotients will be in place at all, because everything is uniquely अराउंड हैपेंस. ठीक है. सो बहुत कॉमेडी था ये कि मेरा जो सेल्फ अवेयरनेस का क्वेश्चन था वो बहुत हाई था. ठीक है. ड्यूरिंग माई सर्टिफिकेशन जब मैं कर रही थी, मेरा बट सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट का थोड़ा गड़बड़ था. आई वेंट अप टू माई माई कोच एंड आई आस्क्ड हिम, आई सेड, सर ये ऐसा है. कहते मैं खुद जानता था कि यू वेरी अवेयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग अराउंड यू, ऑफ योर ओन सेल्फ ऑल्सो, बट देयर कुड बी टाइम्स व्हेन यू डू नॉट नो व्हाट टू डू. And what I see is your happiness quotient is not in place, which is why all of this is getting triggered. And I was very intrigued. I said, so why? He said, Deepti, happiness is something that is going to be a trigger point for you to understand whether you are looking for something in life or not. I said, and how does this help? He said, if you're not happy, optimism will never come through. And आपके दूसरे जितने भी और parameters हैं वो सारे के सारे upset हो जाते हैं. So that is the time when people will say, this person is very conflicting, very aggressive, इसका self, independence नहीं है, and so on and so forth. So is Deepti a very happy person? So अगर आप notice करो तो over the number of years that I've spent in my life, I've realized it very, very, in a very different, in a strong way because of the life's lessons that I've learned, that happiness is superbly intrinsic. We all know that. तो मुझे हैप्पी करने के लिए तो आप मुझे पानी पूरी खिला दो, मैं हैप्पी हो जाऊंगी. बट वो हैप्पीनेस लॉन्ग लास्टिंग नहीं है. इट इज अ प्लेजर. वो खत्म हो गई, प्लेट 6 खा लिए, 8 खा लिए, 10 खा लिए, मेरा मैक्सिमम अभी तक का काउंट 20 रहा है. ठीक है. एक साथ 20 खा लिए, बट उसके बाद हैप्पीनेस खत्म हो जाती है बिकॉज वी आर इनटू डिमिनिशिंग मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी वाला फंडा है. तो प्लेजर आ, बट आई एम नॉट हैप्पी इन प्रिंसिपल. इफ आई हैव टू ब्रिंग यू बैक टू द सेम थिंग, आई एम नॉट अ हैप्पी पर्सन अंदर से, बिकॉज देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स दैट गो इन माय माइंड, inside me, around me, that affect me as a person, where optimism is concerned. So people quote The Secret, which is Rhonda Byrne की book है. It's happiness, it's optimism, but people do not understand every happy thought has got an underlying negative thought. कैसे? राइट ब्रदर्स ने प्लेन बनाया, बहुत ऑप्टिमिस्टिक थे, प्लेन उड़ेगा. Had it not been for somebody's negative thinking, you and I would not have a float inside the aircraft. Somebody had to think negatively. Somebody had to say, अगर ये डूब गया तो, अगर ये क्रैश हो गया तो पैराशूट भी तो किसी ने बनाया. So you are hopeful, but you can't be lackadaisically frivolous. आप कमाते हो तो आप बचाते भी तो हो. तो आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि जो होगा देखा जाएगा. If that is something that you want to believe in, that every penny that you will spend it. But हम बचाते भी हैं, सहेजते भी हैं. So I'm a little pessimistic about life. I will not do everything like हाँ 2 घंटे का रास्ता है बॉम्बे टू द एयरपोर्ट जहां पे मैं रहती हूँ. तो मैं ये नहीं कह सकती कि ऑप्टिमिज्म में हाई होकर मैं आधा घंटा पहले निकलूं अपनी फ्लाइट से, भगवान देख लेगा. नहीं कर सकती. आई एम वेरी पेसिमिस्टिक एंड आई से, हे यू नो व्हाट, you never know, there could be a jam, there could be an accident. I am pessimistic in those versions, but when it comes to other people's happiness, looking forward to life, I'm a happy person that way. But I'd like to start believing more so that everything is very intrinsic. और वो जो प्लेजर है उसकी तरफ ध्यान ना छोड़ के, if I have nothing, still what can make me happy is my chase right. Of course, it is on, and I am hoping that वो जल्दी से वो चीज भी खत्म हो जाएगी.
So nice. So happy to hear your beliefs. And yes, whatever you're talking, yes, it's correct. It's absolutely correct. Thank you. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
coming. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, my dear audience, for being with us in this lovely conversation today. I will come back with another personality who's inspired my life. Thank you. Good day. Bye, Deepti. Take care.